Hello everyone and welcome to French Tax Online, your go-to resource for navigating the intricate world of taxes and financial matters in France. My name is Géraud and I'm a French chartered accountant. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we will discuss the tax treatment of a real estate capital gain made in France by a UK tax resident. It is important to consider all the implications from both sides of the channel. Let's delve into it. What happens when a UK tax resident realizes a capital gain on a French property? Bilateral tax treaty exists to determine the treatment of income for taxpayers navigating between two countries. Most tax treaties provide that income derived from a property is taxable in the country where the property is located. So far, no problem, except that the capital gain from the sale may be treated differently. Indeed, the Franco-British tax treaty provides that the capital gain on a property realized in France by a UK tax resident remains taxable in the UK, but first in France, of course. This means that your capital gain will be first declared and paid in France, then declared and paid in the UK with a tax credit equal to the French tax paid. So no double taxation, no problem. However, please note, the tax credit equal to the French tax cannot in any case exceed the UK tax. Reminder of the calculation of the capital gain in France. A quick reminder for those who haven't had the chance to watch our video on the calculation of a French capital gain tax. The calculation is quite simple. Selling price of the property minus selling expenses minus purchase price minus acquisition expenses minus renovation work equal gross capital gain. To this gross capital gain, an allowance for holding period beyond 5 years of ownership will be applied. Then we would apply a rate of 19% for income tax and a rate of 17.2 or 7.5% for social charges, depending on your situation. Reminder of the requirement for a fiscal representative. It may be useful to remind that all non-EU tax residents, thus UK tax residents as well, must appoint a fiscal representative in order to calculate the capital gain on the property and takes responsibility for it with the tax office. Feel free to contact us directly for more information. Analysis of the Franco-British tax treaty. The Franco-British tax treaty is quite clear. Article 14 states that capital gains on a property remain taxable in the state where the property is located, but this does not exclude the tax resident state of the taxpayer from taxing afterward. Indeed, Article 14, which concerns the elimination of double taxation, states that these capital gains remain taxable in the taxpayer's country of tax residence after deduction of the tax paid in the other country. Thus, you will indeed have to declare your French capital gain in the UK and pay tax on it after deduction of the tax paid in France. If the French tax is higher than the UK tax, then the difference is of course false. How does it work in practice? As a UK tax resident, you will therefore have to declare your French capital gain to HMRC, whether in paper form or online. The paper document is called SA-108 and must be submitted before October 31st of the following year. Regarding online filing, you will find a link in the video and it must be submitted before January 31st of the following year. What are the consequences of not declaring it to the UK? Failure to declare your French capital gain on time will result in an immediate fine of £100, late interest, and an additional fine depending on the amount to be paid. However, non-declaration will be punished with much larger penalties calculated based on the amount to be paid, and you will also be considered by HMRC as a high-risk taxpayers and therefore subject to more regular audits for the rest of your life. I hope you enjoyed this video despite the serious topic. As specialists in capital gains tax, feel free to contact us with any questions related to this matter. We collaborate with a UK firm for a British side of affairs, allowing us to assist on both sides of the channel. Wishing you all a wonderful day, and we look forward to seeing you soon.